In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size guide on Shopify, applicable to any theme, without the need for an app subscription. This is a great way to enhance your customer's shopping experience by providing clear size information directly on your product pages. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to the product page where you wish to include your size guide. Look for the spot where you'd like the size guide to appear, and there, you'll need to click on Add Section. This is an essential step as it determines the exact placement of your guide, ensuring that it's easily accessible for your customers. After clicking Add Section, you'll see an option to type in the title of this new section that you're about to create. Here, be as intuitive and descriptive as possible. For instance, you might want to label it simply as Size Guide, or customize it further based on your product lines, such as Sizing for Dresses or T-shirt Size Guide. Once you've decided on your title and typed it in, you can go ahead and click Generate. Now, on the right panel of your screen, Shopify will ask for additional input. This is where the magic happens. A prompt will appear, asking how you would like this size guide to function. This step allows you to be as precise as you need. Consider what information is most pertinent for your customers. Do you want to include both metric and imperial measurements? Should the size guide include illustrations or text instructions on how to measure? All these details will help shape a more effective size guide. Once you've clarified your needs, simply let the system work its magic. Depending on the complexity of your instructions, it may take a few moments to process. More detailed requests will naturally require a bit more time to generate. Once it is finished loading, your new size guide will appear right there. At this point, you have the opportunity to refine its content further. On the right panel, you will see various options to edit the guide. Don't hesitate to make adjustments as needed. Perhaps you need to tweak the wording, add additional sizing information, or even remove some content that isn't necessary. You also have the option to enter more prompts if needed. Utilizing AI, these prompts can help you refine and re-edit your size guide further until it perfectly meets your requirements. And there you have it. Without needing any additional app subscriptions, you've added a functional and informative size guide to your Shopify product page. By doing so, you're offering your customers a valuable resource that can improve their shopping experience, making it more likely that they'll find exactly what fits them best. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!